Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and we are here to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 17th of April 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 31.43%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.75% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $380.27 should be viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to fan theory, $192.09 might represent the new bottom line of the upcoming trend, though it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 13.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.65% to 57.93%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -9.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 29.38% and 71.88% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $402.88 and $535.20. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, High Volatility in UnitedHealth Group Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $311.38. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 17.79% on the last day, Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, from $378.75 to $311.38. It has now fallen for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.64%, ranging from a day low of $309.10 to a day high of $342. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 23.91% for this period. The volume increased on the last day by 48 million shares, although this was during a period of declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 58 million shares were exchanged for approximately $18.15 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $630.73, while the lowest was $309.10. Currently, the price is 50.63%, or $319.35, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group has been experiencing considerable turmoil, significantly impacting its stock price. Recently, the company's shares fell by 22% due to a series of adverse events, including the sudden departure of Chief Executive Officer Andrew Whitty and the reinstatement of former CEO Stephen Hemsley. This shift has raised concerns regarding leadership stability, which is crucial for maintaining investor confidence. Analysts from Cantor Fitzgerald believe that UnitedHealth may have reached its lowest point, suggesting a potential turnaround in sentiment. However, this largely depends on how Hemsley tackles the ongoing challenges. The situation has escalated with the announcement of class action lawsuits against UnitedHealth, alleging violations of federal securities laws during a tumultuous trading period from December of 2024 to April of 2025. The scrutiny from these legal proceedings could further diminish investor trust and may keep the stock under pressure in the near term, as multiple law firms are actively pursuing claims from affected investors. While U.S. equities have shown gains in other areas, the underperformance of UnitedHealth could negatively affect market sentiment for the healthcare sector in the short run. In the long term, if leadership and operational strategies stabilize under Hemsley, investor confidence may gradually return, potentially enhancing stock performance. Nonetheless, immediate volatility is anticipated as the company navigates through these legal challenges and adjusts to its newly reinstated leadership. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, Cowen and Company rated UNH with a buy grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April 2025, Morgan Stanley provided UNH with an overweight grade and a hold action. On the same day, Bernstein also rated UNH with an outperform grade and a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 3rd of March 2025, Stevens rated UNH with an overweight grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Currently, UnitedHealth Group holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $378.10 and $473.44. A break above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 11th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 48% and 0.6. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. The short-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 16 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 14 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With an extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $32.90 between its high and low, representing a movement of 10.64%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.9%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate diminished expectations for the company's future performance, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $6.28. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $378.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the same day, John H. Noseworthy also conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. Additionally, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. On that day, Paul R. Garcia purchased 60 shares of common stock. Also, on the 1st of April 2025, Paul R. Garcia made another insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 55.830. Overall, insiders purchased 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $9.45, beginning trading at $320.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.